In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Countif, Sumif, and Averageif in Microsoft Excel. We're going to walk through three very useful Excel functions that help you analyze data quickly and easily. These formulas are especially helpful when you want to count items that match a condition, add values based on a condition, or find an average for a specific group. In this example, we'll use a worksheet with employee data, including department names and salaries. To begin, enter the data into your Excel worksheet. Make sure your information is organized clearly in columns so Excel can read the ranges correctly. In this case, one column contains departments and another contains salaries. Having your data set up properly is important because each formula depends on selecting the correct range. Next, click an empty cell, such as E2, to use the countif function. This function counts how many cells in a range meet a specific condition. Type the formula equals countif, open parenthesis, B2 colon B6, comma, quotation mark, sales, quotation mark, close parenthesis, then press enter. The result is 3. This tells you that 3 employees work in the sales department. Countif is great whenever you need to count how many times a word, category, or value appears in a list. After that, click another empty cell, such as E3, to use the Sumif function. This formula adds numbers only when a related condition is met. Type equals Sumif, open parenthesis, B2 colon B6, comma, quotation mark, sales, quotation mark, comma, C2 colon C6, close parenthesis. Press enter and the result is 112,300. This means Excel is adding the salaries only for employees in the sales department. Sumif is very useful for budgets, payroll summaries, and category-based totals. Now click another empty cell, such as E4, to use the Averageif function. This works similarly, but instead of counting or summing, it calculates an average. Type equals Averageif, open parenthesis, B2 colon B6, comma, quotation mark, sales, quotation mark, comma, C2 colon C6, close parenthesis. Press enter and the result is 4,100. That gives you the average salary for employees in the sales department. As you enter each formula, type it exactly as shown and press enter after each one to display the result. Accuracy matters, especially with cell ranges, commas, and quotation marks. Once you understand the pattern, you can easily replace sales with another department, like marketing or HR, to get the count, total salary or average salary for that group. And that's how to use Countif, Sumif, and Averageif in Excel to analyze your data more efficiently.